Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys my rad RC truck. Now, I did a lot of DIY work on this, but it's built pretty good. So let's get to it. I already took the pins out. First thing I'm going to show you, put lights up in there, the battery. Plug this in, show you guys. They're nice and bright. I had taillights in there, but they burnt out. Let's get to the internals of the truck. So we got a 2-cell 5800 milliamp battery with the ID charger. We got a Reedy brushless ESC and a Savox servo. It's 4-wheel drive. Yeah, and I can't remember if I said this already, but it's a Traxxas TRX4 Sport. I just have done a lot of work to it. Only stock electronic in here is the receiver itself. So you can get a better look up at that, close up at that. That orange cable is just to hold the battery in. I put these lights on here. These are off a flashlight. There's two. I glued them together and taped behind it. And they've been wet multiple times and they still work, so how to waterproof your lights, I guess. And then this ESC is supposed to have a programmer for it. And I can't find it right now, but I added this extra wire on here because I had to glue this receiver box closed because I lost the seal for it. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. RCing on a budget. You know, I made this connector for this battery. And it's just 2 wires you gotta stick in there. It works though. Oh, might help if I turn the controller on. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the fan running on the ESC. I've also got a aluminum upgraded part for that steering servo, but it's cracked now, so the screw keeps coming out. But, you know, hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure I put my controller back so I don't forget where it's at. And have a great day.